Completely new 2021 Toyota Venza has extensive, high-strength steel, hybrid powertrain. Toyota last month unveiled its latest model, a midsize two-row crossover known as the 2021 Venza. The brand new vehicle will sport Toyota's TNGA-K platform, which Toyota says offers strength and silence. The Venza also features a hybrid powertrain standard, potentially adding new safety and operational concerns for collision repairers. Toyota debuted the broad TNGA concept on the 2016 Prius and has continued to expand it throughout the fleet since then. In March 2015, Toyota described the overall idea. Toyota has developed new platforms through innovative improvements to its vehicle underbodies and suspensions. Additionally, repositioning and lowering the center of gravity of powertrain components has contributed to achieving attractive, low-stance designs, responsive handling, a high-quality drive feel, and collision performance that offers safety and peace of mind. By rethinking body structure, Toyota plans to first increase overall body rigidity by as much as 30 to 65%, and then further improve rigidity by joining body components using laser screw welding technology. Toyota will begin rolling out its new platforms with the launch of a midsize front-wheel drive vehicle this year, followed by specific new platforms for front-wheel drive compact and large vehicles, as well as for rear-wheel drive vehicles. Toyota expects approximately half of its vehicles sold worldwide in 2020 to feature the new platforms. Emphasis hours. As noted above, the Venza uses the TNGA-K format. Toyota said it offers exemplary collision protection provided by the TNGA-K platform, projected to achieve top NHTSA safety ratings, and draws an inherent strength from the extensive use of high-strength steel. This allows front strut and rear multi-link suspension tuning that helps foster handling agility while providing a supple, quiet ride, Toyota continued. Asked for more details about the Venza's lightweighting and crash protection, Zachary Reed of Toyota Product Communications said May 26 no information was available to share. As we get closer to on sale, we'll have a little better understanding of all of this, and we'll be able to effectively communicate, he wrote in an email. The 2021 Venza goes on sale this summer. Toyota did note that the strength of the TNGA-K platform helped the ohms noise, vibration and harshness efforts. The high-strength TNGA-K platform is the first defense against noise intrusion, curbing vibration through the steering, floor and structure, Toyota wrote. Toyota shared other NVH details which will almost certainly have ramifications for collision repair. The OHM described significant insulation and soundproofing efforts. Sound blocking and absorbing insulation and body sealing material are placed throughout the structure, under the carpeting, and above the headliner, Toyota wrote. The materials and their placement were optimized to minimize noise in the frequencies that typically interfere with conversation. As one example, the floor silencer pad is one large piece rather than separate segments. As a result, surface coverage reaches about 92%. Holes and gaps between parts are filled in with sound-damping material for greater road noise reduction. Under the hood, sound-absorbing insulation around the engine compartment helps reduce intake noise, helped by the placement of two special resonance chambers that help minimize air intake noise in the 530 Hz and 650 Hz ranges. The Venza also has strategically placed insulation to cut tire noise. Other NVH strategies include a standard acoustic windshield and the OHM suspension tuning.